Now we will go through the various steps and stages to present a dynamic model of the Boehme-Gurdjieff-Bourgeault cosmology. I consider this presentation to be more accurate than the stationary models that are pictured in the text discussing the cosmology. I start with the original triangle. Remember, this is first force, this is second force, and this is third force. From this triangle, the new arising, or counterstroke, shows up as the first pyramid, which is red, the first color of the rainbow. This stage, or pyramid, goes through an inner evolution that leads to the readiness of the triangle for a new arising, a counterstroke. We present this inner growth by the rotation of the pyramid to the right. Since our orientation always forms in relationship to the second force, this rotation in all stages is always to the right. Each stage comes to completion on the original plane or axis. Let's attach this so that we can construct our model. So we have the counterstroke here, second force here, and third force here. We now have readiness for the next stage. From the triangle here, on this side of the red pyramid, we have the creation of the new arising. This orange pyramid goes through its evolution, moving back to the plane, keeping the second force constant, and we have the readiness from this triangle to create the next arising. We have first force, second force, third force, and now the new arising. As this particular pyramid goes through its evolution, it evolves like this. We have the readiness for this new triangle here, first force, second force, third force, to create the next arising, which falls down like this. The figure is beginning to take shape from white to red to orange to yellow, and now this green new arising goes through its inner evolution, and we have the triangle here ready to create the next counterstroke, which is going to be in the blue and which will come here. begin to see how the figure is beginning to take shape. We have the red and the yellow and the blue on the top here. Oops, this one is. The new arising here, which is going to rotate like this. So we have the primary colors on the top and the secondary colors underneath. Let's attach this here just for the moment. Give this a little bit of stability here. So at this point, we have our blue triangle from which the new arising will come, right here. That will be the purple. So the new arising that comes from the blue shows here and then rotates to completion with returning to be in relationship with the original triangle here. So our final figure begins to look like this. From the white, the red arose. From the red, the orange, which developed and came this way. From the orange, the yellow arose and rotated this way. From the yellow, the green arose and rotated this way. From the green, the blue arose and rotated this way. From the blue, the purple arose and rotated back this way. We have come full circle using 7 stages or transformations to return to the first triangle. Thank you for listening.